Whether you're running industrial tools, backing up your home, or powering an entire job site, the Tomahawk 17,000-watt inverter generator delivers the performance and reliability you need. Let's walk through how to set it up and get it ready to run. Begin by carefully unboxing the generator and making sure all components are included. To install the lifting bar, position it across the left and right cross rods and align the plate with the bolt holes from bottom to top. Thread the bolts through the fixed plate and lifting rod, then tighten them securely. Next, remove the left side panel to access the onboard battery that powers the electric start system. Locate the positive and negative battery connectors, align the matching colors, and press them together firmly until they click into place. Next, unscrew the oil fill cap. For first-time use, fill the tank with SAE10W30, 4-stroke motor oil up to the upper limit. Then reinstall the oil cap and secure the side panel. Then open the fuel cap and fill the tank with unleaded gasoline rated 91 octane or higher. Then tighten the fuel cap securely after filling. Make sure all tools are disconnected before starting the generator. Turn the engine switch to the on position. Turn the dial to open the fuel line. Then press the electric start button or use the included remote start fob. Once the engine starts, let it warm up for 2 to 3 minutes. If desired, activate the Eco Mode switch for improved fuel efficiency. With 17,000 watts of peak power and a 72 decibel rating, this generator is built for serious work. It easily powers welders, heat guns, compressors, saws, or even a full job site trailer. The stable output delivers clean, consistent power, ideal for high-draw tools and sensitive electronics. When you're finished using the generator, disconnect all devices and let it run without a load for a few minutes to cool down. Then turn the engine switch to off and close the fuel valve. Tomahawk generators are the best choice for contractors who demand reliable, high-output performance. For more equipment guides, manuals, and helpful videos, scan the QR code on your generator to access the Tomahawk Resource Center. And don't forget to click subscribe for more tips, support, and updates.